Hey guys, thanks for joining today. My name is Brian, and this is the Little Improvements YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you a step-by-step video, pun intended, on how we put some stepping stones in our backyard that take us from our house to our backyard office shed. If you like today's video, please hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and come back for more. Thanks for watching. So what we've done here is put a 12x8 tough shed in the back corner of our backyard. It's where I work full-time. Work remotely, and it's been a good addition to our property. So if you want to learn more about that, let me know in the comments and I could do a little bit more on that. So what we chose to do here is a 12x12 casted concrete stone. It's quite a bit cheaper than the natural stone, and just I think for the price it was suitable for our backyard. And I think the biggest deal for us was we really wanted to bring that space, that shed, kind of more connected to the house, and instead of jacking in gravel and dirt into the office shed, we decided to lay these down. So I think this is probably the most important step in my opinion, is just getting your layout right and making sure the steps make sense, walking on them a couple times. We have a lot of odd angles in our backyard, not square or 90-degree angles, so I chose to not have them be perfectly spaced out and perfectly straight. And so that was just something that fit for our situation. First thing I did is just take an outline, scraped an outline of the stone, and then I used this little handheld tool and a tamponer to go ahead and scrape out and just do a rough eyeball in my situation of what was flat. Again, I didn't want it to be perfectly flat. This area is not perfectly flat. There's a lot of kind of unevenness about it. So I scraped it out like I did here. Unfortunately, my soil is super soaked from recent rain, so it's very easy to scrape out. And then get my stone in there, or tamping down first, get my stone in there, backfill the edges, and then tamping again around the edges.